Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the structure of eye. This is mentioned in chapter 4 of class 5. If you are new to my channel, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. As you all know, we use our eyes to see the world. This is one of our 5 sense organs. We are going to discuss about the structure of eye, what are its parts and how they work. Simple explanation about eye is that outer covering of the eyeball consists of relatively tough white layer called sclera near the front of the eye in the area protected by the eyelids. The sclera is covered by a thin transparent membrane which runs to the edge of the cornea. Main parts of an eye are optic nerve, cornea, pupil and iris. First we will discuss about optic nerve. In the picture, this is optic nerve. It transmits sensory information for vision in the form of electrical impulses from the eye to brain. In the book, it is mentioned as this is the nerve that carry messages from the eye to brain. More than 1 million nerve fibers are present in it. So, the information which is seen by our eyes are sent to brain through optic nerves. Next is cornea. In the picture, this is cornea. It serves as a barrier against dirt and germ, protect from damage. It can recover itself from minor injuries and it will heal minor injuries and wound itself. In book, this is mentioned, light enters the eye through the cornea. So, it is the enter point of light in our eye. You must have felt that sometimes dirt is stuck to our eye or some small wounds heal by time. It is a natural process. Next is pupil. This is pupil mentioned in the picture. It is the opening center iris. After entering light in the eye, it can be focused on the retina to the process of sight. You all must have seen that while we are in sunlight, our pupil expands and we enter a dark room, then our eyes take some time to relax. This is the effect of our pupil expands and then return to its original shape. The shape of the pupil is always perfectly round, equal in size and color is always black. In the book, its explanation is that it is an opening through which light enters. Next is iris. In the picture, this is iris. Its explanation is that it controls the amount of light that enters our eyes. It gives color to the eyes. So the color of our eyes is because of iris, and different type of people have different color of eyes. Their genetics and their geographical area also affect the color of eyes, as most people in Europe and cold countries have colored eyes, while Asian people have more black or brown eyes. Some people donate their eyes, but the question is which part of eye is donated? Cornea is the part that anyone can donate. Almost anyone can donate their corneas. The cornea is the clear tissue at the front of your eye that lets in light so you can see. This small and simple part of eye is hugely important for 1000 of cornea transplants a year, often saving the sight of millions of patients for many years. So, donating your eyes can give light and eyesight to two people. As students, you know that our eyes are very sensitive parts of our body, so we should take care of them. Some of the main points that you can follow: that you should never read in moving car or bus. You should not rub your eyes with dirty hands. You should never read in dim or very bright light. Do not watch TV for long time and sit at least 6 feet away from it. Clean your eyes with cold water daily. Eat food that are rich in vitamin A like papaya, carrots, mango, green vegetables. And most importantly, you should not watch phone for long hours and should take break if you are studying for at least 10 minutes. So students, I hope you have understood today's topic. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.